Vice President Jojo Binay, Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno, Secretary Albert Del Rosario, and Mrs. Margaret Gretchen Del Rosario, His Excellency Archbishop Giuseppe Pinto, Excellencies of the Diplomatic Corps, Honorable Members of the Cabinet, Honorable Members of the Senate and House of Representatives, Honorable Members of the Judiciary, men and women of the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Philippine National Police, fellow workers in government, honored guests, mga minamahal ko pong kababayan, talaga sa mapagpalayang araw po sa ating lahat. 115 years ago, our nation gained its independence, and with it, the sacred responsibility of protecting and fulfilling the promise of liberty. Today, as one nation, we reaffirm this commitment. Just as our heroes and martyrs paid the ultimate price for our freedom, as Filipinos, each and everyone is asked to do his part in building an even more progressive nation. Whether one is in the highest ranks of government, or an employee in a local company, or an OFW working on distant shores. As we focus our efforts on lifting our nation to greater heights, let us remember that it is by being productive and responsible citizens, by performing our tasks to the best of our abilities, and by giving to our fellow men their due, that we contribute to making our society truly more just and more equitable. On this day, we also renew our collective pledge to foster an international environment of positive engagement. Your Excellencies, as you work to strengthen cooperation and promote dialogue, you will always find partners in the Filipino people and their government. It is my hope that as my administration strives for more meaningful and lasting reform in our country, you will continue working with us in realizing the full potential of the Filipino people and in finding solutions to the challenges that we collectively face. On this note, Your Excellencies, fellow workers of government, ladies and gentlemen, I ask you to join me in a toast. First, to the continued partnership between all our nations, may we always endeavor to promote peace, amity, and unity for the advancement of humankind. To my fellow workers in government, may you remain faithful to serving our people and our republic. To our overseas Filipino workers, for their dedication and sacrifice, may their hard work redound and further contribute to a Philippines that they can come home to with pride and confidence. And to the future and continued success of the Filipino people, may the examples of our heroes be our guide as we tread the straight path to equitable progress.